Iten Industries is an Ashtabula-based company that has produced plastic composite parts for close to a century. Iten is looking forward to the next century by using innovative technology and forming new partnerships. In 1922, Charlie Iten started the Iten Fiber Company in Cleveland, Ohio, where they did part fabrication from mostly vulcanized fiber. Then in 1926, he bought out what was the Ashtabula Tire and Rubber Company. In the early days of the business, Iten was one of 7 U.S. companies manufacturing vulcanized fiber. Iten then moved to parts manufacturing from Cleveland shortly after. Newly in Ashtabula, Iten used craft paper and animal glue to make tubes for flashlight barrels. They also engineered various crevice tools for household vacuum cleaners. They also developed a series of composite materials which have been a mainstay for the company even to this day. John D. Huggins worked for Charlie after World War II and was the general manager. Huggins went on to buy the Iten Fiber Company from Charlie Iten after he died in 1957, and then transformed the business into Iten Industries. This led to Iten expanding into high-pressure laminates and parts making, while still continuing to manufacture vulcanized fiber. Following in his father's footsteps, Pete Huggins took over Iten in the 1980s. In the 1990s, Iten bought a Rockwell brake facility, which then became Iten's Plant 4. Over the last 20 years, Iten has specialized in manufacturing, pultruding, and various types of machining. Iten manufactures their own molds and tools in their very own tooling center. 2021 marks Iten's 99th year, and they want to kick off the next century in business with a bang. Enter additive manufacturing. Iten Industries just purchased 2 brand new 3D printers from Youngstown-based Juggernaut 3D.
It just cuts time down on the regular prototypes we do in the tool room. I mean, you have 3, maybe 4 operations that is possible to go into a prototype. With this, you can set it up as all one operation. I think it's a step into the future, not only for just products, but as far as like just in-house things as well, as far as just in-house fixtures, jigs. It'll free up people to work on other projects.
The first one is now installed and ready to go, with the second machine arriving later this summer.
That's something that would take our one machine probably a couple days. This would take about maybe an hour.
As you can see, Iten has plans for a very robust future.
I'm glad I get to work with the technology myself. I get to do my hobby that I've done for the last few years. I get to go to work and do it.
This new project allows customers to come to Iten with their ideas and quickly leave with finished products, as Iten looks to be around for another century.